Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Buddy Guy. As you can see, it is a very brisk 22 degrees here in New York. And in this episode, I'm going to show you how to keep your garden hose from freezing in the wintertime. We just used it today, used it yesterday, and I'm going to use it tomorrow. And as you see, it lays stretched out across the yard, heading over to the critters. And I'll show you how I keep it from freezing. So what I have going on here, this is the inside of my garage where I have the faucet that goes outside. So outside the house, I have a hot and a cold faucet, 2 independent valves, and it is a frost-free valve, but it's not quite long enough. I have 9 inches of wall and siding with a 6-inch valve, so I open up the wall just to get some heat in there. But I have shut-off valves to keep I shut the water off here and leave the valves open so it drains. And there's another video I have posted about frost-free valves. But what this is an air line for my air compressor. And can you hear that? So what I did was I have a 1/2-inch PEX line with a ball valve, and this is a one-way check valve. You can see the arrow. And then above this ball valve, I have another check valve. So it lets the water go down and out, and this check valve lets the air go through and out, but neither one, the air can't go up and the water can't go back. So when we're done using the garden hose to send water to the critters, we shut off the water, it drains, and then we apply air and then let it blow through the entire hose and come out the other end and let it run for a minute, and then blows all the water out of the hose. And if there's no water in the hose, it can't freeze. So tomorrow when we hook it up, we'll plug it back into the faucet, open the cold water or the hot, whatever we want to use, send water where we want it, and when we're done, we will apply air and evacuate the hose, and it'll be good to go for the next day. Thanks for watching.